Hi guys, welcome to As Simple as Possible. Today we are going to learn about directive principles of state policy. When our constitution was framed, there were a lot of problems that were to be covered, including ensuring equality and well-being of all citizens. It was realized that certain policy direction was required. Hence, the directive principles were formed that acted as guidelines but were not made legally enforceable. Why? This is because the constitution makers thought that the moral force behind these guidelines would ensure that the government would take them seriously. These include mainly three things: goals that the society should adopt, rights apart from the fundamental rights, and policies that the government should adopt. Many a times we do get confused as to the difference between the directive principles and the fundamental rights. So, the difference between the two is fundamental rights prevent the government from doing certain things, and directive principles make the government do some things. Second, fundamental rights protect the rights of individuals, whereas directive principles ensure well-being of entire society. So this is the difference between the two. That was all about this topic. If you like the video, please do comment, share and subscribe the channel, and of course, thanks for watching.